Although beer isn't typically what you think of when you hear farm-grown produce, what's coming out of the bottle came straight from the fields of the Palouse. Barley is a huge part of making beer, and here at the Malt Barley Quality Lab at WSU, they're making sure only the best makes it to the table.
If you want a quality malt barley, you have to have the genetics to start, and that's really where we come into play.
Robert Brueggemann is the barley breeder at Washington State University. With this new malt lab, he and the students are able to further research and breed better barley strains.
Our job here is to develop those varieties so that then the farmers have those to be able to plant in their fields. That goes into the grain bins and then to the malt houses where they germinate the grain, get those enzymes going, and then from there it goes to the brewers, and then the brewers do their magic, and then it ends up in your glass as many different styles. The amazing thing is when you look at that grain in a quality malting barley, 80% of that becomes beer. Arguably, barley is the most important ingredient in beer. Barley provides the enzymes and the sugars that actually become the beer, and it also provides some flavor depending on the beer style. So it's a very important, if not the most important component of what is poured into your glass. I'm a molecular biologist, and since I started, things have really changed a lot. I mean, what used to take us 3 years of work to get data, which was basically your whole PhD, the students nowadays with the sequencing tools and the molecular tools we have now can get 3 years of data in my time in a month. So it's changed dramatically. I mean, it's incredible. I got all 3 of my degrees at Washington State University, so obviously this is home. I'm a Coug through and through. And why Washington? We produce quality barley here. I mean, the quality is amazing. When I was in North Dakota State University, the reason they brought me there was to work on disease. We don't have huge problems with disease here. Really, we're in the position here that I was working at North Dakota State to get to.